Hi guys, so here it is, part 2, the rear bank manifold cat and flexi part removal. It was a ball ache, I must say that. Stay tuned till the end. There's a little funny clip I've put at the end, so stay tuned for that. So if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button or there, giving a thumbs up for liking the video, and if you're returning, cheers again, thanks for watching. Let's crack on with stage 2 of this removal. Okay, that's the rear cat. You can see the lower screen there. I've got one bolt off already, and the other two are at the top. I'm going to loosen them up with some more penetrating fluid and keep cracking on with them. They're slowly coming away. So to get to the rear one, I've had to remove all the upper inlet manifold. There is a card to another video to do that. But they're all 13mm sockets. Normal socket to do on this. I'm going to crack on and then show you in a second. There you go. The whole stud come out on it. Good thing we're not putting these back in. Deep socket, 30mm to try and give me the leverage I need. Hopefully this will work. Right, so we're on there. We ain't got much undoing space. We ain't got much leverage. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, the two back ones there, I got the whole complete stud out, and the front one, the bolt come off on its own, so that frees up the cat. Right, now it's time to get the flexi down. This is the rear bank one, 270mm bolts here and here. Okay, right, I'm going to, that's stubborn, I caught my arm. What I'm going to do is try and get something on the back here and wedge it on the floor, so I can't do it from this side. So, okay guys, so I managed to get this cracked off loose off camera. So I'm going to continue getting it off now. Okay, so now what we have to do now is to make it easier to get
the cat down from up here. We're going to lower this new one out of the way. This is why I never fixed it solidly. This is just like literally just held in place, finger tight, so I can just drop it down. So I'll do that, and then we'll work at getting the cat out. As you know, as you've seen, the 3 bolts up the top are off, so it's a matter of undo the 15mm bracket that's holding the cat to the flexi pipe. There's a little 8 or 10mm just above the drive shaft here. Then that should allow you to slide this down out of the way. Getting the cat from the back down this way is fiddly but very doable. So let's crack on with that. So let's get the 15mm off first. So for this one you're going to need a 15mm deep socket. Try to crack it off. Nope. Okay, right, in this case, get some penetrant fluid. Probably get an 1/2 inch on it instead of the 3/8. And that should give me a bit more oomph to get it off, so let's come back in a sec. Okay, so I've got some penetrant. I'm going to spray it up around it. Give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's had a couple of minutes to soak. What I'm going to try and do is get my 3/8 15D socket on it. I'm going to get another spanner, give me a bit more leverage here. Right, so I've got a closed end socket spanner. Put it on there, just give me a bit more leverage to see if it. There we go, look at that. You see, it's actually helped. Sometimes that's all it needs. So that's that one off. Now the 8mm at the back here. So and there you can see the sweat literally dripping out of my glove. Look. Out. So let's just bracket out. Okay, so this piece should just that's the rear flexi pipe out. Now it's time to get the catalytic converter out. It's 12:30 coming up to, and look where the temperature is, just below 30. That's about 34 there degrees. So the 10mm down the back on the top of the cat. Come over the top. Here's the cat. Okay, and you can see it there, look. The bolt, I'm just gonna show you. So I think I've got it loose. Okay. Oh, got the bolt out. That's the one you're after. Okay, now so I'm going to attempt to retrieve this out of here. Fiddly but doable. I've done it once ages ago. I'm just going to go and see if I can disconnect this from up top. Okay, so I'll show you in a sec. Wiring loom. Disconnect this. So, let's try and wiggle it out a bit more. There we go. Okay, so the cat's that way, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other one's just the other side of here, so I'm going to remove this panel. Like I said, I've given them all a coat of penetrant. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and then attempt to crack them off with a 13mm. Okay, so you can see all the studs have had plenty of penetrating fluid on. So I'm going to use my 3/8 drive with a 13mm socket, deep socket because of their studs, and a closed end wrench spanner to give me a bit more leverage. I've got the camera in such a position I can't actually see what I'm supposed to be doing apart from watching through the camera. Let's go here first because I want to show you. If you need more leverage to get a bolt off, providing you flush on the nut. Don't know if you see that, but it's actually moving. You're going up, one out. Let's try this one. Hey, look, the actual nuts come off on that one. That's good. Put it out of the way. So I'm going to stop recording get these out, and then once I get to the last bolt, I'm going to show you how to extract this downwards and put the new one back in. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I've disconnected the power wire to the alternator, I've disconnected the 2 bolts here, and I've loosened the one on the top, which is a bit of a pain on the backside to get to. I've realised you don't need to undo these are just brackets. So you only need to undo the 3 bolts. And I've loosened off the belt temporarily, and I've got access to the last bolt. I didn't film this because, but what I will do is I'll film me putting it all back together to show you, and you can just reverse it to see how to get the damn thing out. But this is why you don't go to a garage if you've got some basic knowledge on how to do it yourself, because if you go to a garage, yes, peace of mind, if anything breaks they've got to fix it, but there's also the chance of getting a hefty bill with it. I've set aside 2 days and challenged this myself. So with that last bolt out there, that'll be the rear manifold out. Lower it down, put the new one in, put it back together. Lovely, job done. Okay, so the final stud is ready to come out. See, it's pretty much out now. So I'm going to undo the last bit and show you actually how to lower it down. It ain't been an easy challenge. So I just hope you can see what I'm doing okay. Always support it so don't put the weight on the stud. You feel when it's loose. Swap hands and see if I can... Yep, I think that's... So I can do it up now as well as undo it. So swap hands. Careful not to drop it on my head. Yeah, I can't do it with my hand now. The stud's out. Stud. Okay, so carefully extract like so. Let's get out the right bit. And that is it out. So you're going to remove your gasket, same as the front. Give the surfaces a wipe with a bit of brake cleaner and a rag. And put the new gasket in, put the new manifold in. I'm just going to get a rag and clean up. Smack myself straight in the head. That's for the outtakes.